We're all aware that bigger is better. The same holds true for military equipment. The size and power of military equipment are the only factors that matter. Today we're discussing such a military machine, the largest aircraft in the inventory of the US Air Force, none other than the C-5M Super Galaxy. Welcome to the military future. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this. The largest aircraft in the inventory of the US Air Force is the C-5M Super Galaxy, a strategic transport aircraft. For the Department of Defense, its main purpose is to move people and goods. Developed and produced by Lockheed Martin, the C-5M is a modernized version of the original C-5. At the moment, 52 C-5B, CM are owned and flown by the US Air Force. At Travis AFB in California, Lackland AFB in Texas, Westover Air Reserve Base in Massachusetts, Dover Air Force Base in Delaware, development of the C-5 Galaxy was challenging, with considerable cost overruns, and Lockheed had severe financial challenges. The C-5 fleet's capabilities were limited until necessary repairs could be made after cracks in many of the aircraft's wings were found shortly after they went into service. The C-5M Super Galaxy has 4 General Electric CF6-80C2 L1F F138 commercial engines, 28 wheels, 5 sets of landing gear, and a cutting-edge maintenance diagnostic system. It has the ability to fly on relatively short runways and can transport big cargo across oceanic distances. Ground crews can concurrently load and unload freight from both ends by opening both the nose and aft doors, which shortens the time needed for cargo transfers. Transporting 2 rows of vehicles at once is made possible by the full-width drive-on ramps at each end. With lower operational and lifespan costs, the C-5M Super Galaxy cargo aircraft provides higher dependability and efficient performance. More than 70 improvements have been integrated, and the maintenance cost per flying hour have been reduced. The airplane is 75.53 meters long, 19.84 meters tall, and 67.91 meters wide. The plane can fly at a maximum takeoff weight of 381,018 kilograms, while its operating weight is 181,437 kilograms. With a payload carrying capability of 129,274 kilograms and a fuel capacity of 150,819 kilograms, the aircraft is equipped. The ability of the maintenance diagnostic system is to record and analyze data from more than 7,000 test locations, helps to speed up maintenance and repair. Without needing to refuel in the air, the C-5M can go 2,150 nautical miles, drop its load of 281,001 pounds, and then fly to a second base 500 nautical miles from its initial location. The aircraft's range is only constrained by crew endurance when refueling in the air. A multi-mode communication system, a mission computer, improved navigation radios, a digital autopilot, multi-purpose display units, a flight management system, safety equipment, and surveillance components are all combined into the modern glass cockpit. Additionally, it is equipped with built-in controls and diagnostic systems for determining the need for maintenance. Additionally, the cockpit has integrated data link capabilities and situational awareness displays, and it gives the crew greater situational awareness and indications for predicted flight performance. The C-5M Super Galaxy can be loaded with freight swiftly and effectively, and it can carry more air-transportable cargo than the C-5 aircraft. The aircraft-designated passenger compartment is where the troops and their equipment are kept. The Galaxy's air crews have given it the moniker FRED, which stands for Ridiculous Economic Environmental Disaster, due to its voracious fuel consumption as well as its maintenance and reliability concerns. 4 GE CF6-80C2 turbofan engines, each producing 50,580 pounds of thrust, power the C-5M Super Galaxy transport plane. The engine is 4.26 meters in length and 2.69 meters in diameter. The engine weighs 9,860 pounds when dry. The engines give the aircraft 22% more thrust and a 58% higher rate of climb while meeting Stage 4 noise and pollution standards. The aircraft can fly at a regular cruise speed of 0.77 Mach. With 54,430 kilograms of payload, its unloaded range is approximately 4,800 nm, while its unloaded range is 7,000 nm. In June 1970, the 437th Airlift Wing at Charleston Air Force Base, South Carolina, received the first operational C-5A Galaxy from Lockheed Georgia Company. The Air Force's airlift inventory now includes 76 C-5As in addition to the final 50 C-5Bs that were delivered in March 1989. To increase dependability and maintainability, The C-5B underwent more than 100 additional system improvements. 2 Space Cargo Modified SCM C-5Cs were also delivered during the 1989 fiscal year. The C-5 Avionics Modernization Program includes avionics upgrades to enhance communications as well as navigation, surveillance, and air traffic management system upgrades to maintain compliance with local, regional, and global airspace regulations. It also built a new autopilot system and other new safety devices. A thorough reliability enhancement and re-engineering program was another component of the C-5 upgrade plan. In the fiscal year 2018, the final 52 C-5s in the Air Force are expected to finish the RERP modification. By September 2017, the remainder of the C-5 fleet began its retirement. 4 General Electric TF-39 engines were replaced by 4 General Electric CF6-80C2 L1F F138 commercial engines for the C-5 aircraft. The C-5A BCs that underwent RERP modification became C-5M Super Galaxies after receiving new engines and other system modifications. The C-5 fleet was also made smoother, Federal Aviation Administration Stage 4 compliant as a result of this modernization program, which also improved aircraft dependability and maintainability, preserved structural and system integrity, decreased ownership costs, and increased operational capability well into the 21st century. The C-5 aircraft fleet was upgraded by the USAF in 2 phases to become the C-5M Super Galaxy. 52 C-5 aircraft, including 49 C-5Bs, 2 C-5Cs, and 1 C-5A, were modernized by Lockheed Martin as part of the program by 2017. The aircraft has so far broken 89 world records in aviation. The C-5M Super Galaxy aircraft from the 433rd Airlift Wing was on display at the Stars and Stripes Air Show in Texas, United States in February 2020. The first phase of the upgrade was given to Lockheed Martin under a $454 million contract in January 1999. The C-5 fleet's cockpit will be improved by the AMP. In December 2001, the contract for the second phase was given. The USAF took delivery of the 52nd and final C-5M Super Galaxy aircraft in August 2018. All 52 aircraft are operational with the Air Mobility Command and Air Force Reserve Command units. The C-5 has been used by the USAF since 1969. The airlifter at the time supported U.S. military operations in all significant wars, including those in Vietnam, Iraq, Yugoslavia, and Afghanistan. It also provided support to allies, notably Israel, during the Yom Kippur War and Gulf War activities. In addition, the Galaxy has helped with disaster relief, humanitarian aid, and the U.S. space program. So there you have it, the biggest aircraft in the military of the United States. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and also click the bell icon to get notified.